Sveg Fit Music.
I'm a straight gorilla with it, cold hearted killer with it. Any nigga getting out of line can get it. I make it hot, motherfuckers freeze up when I come through. Mac 10, 32 shot, clip in my smoke. I might smile and say what's up, but I don't fuck with you niggas. My rap money slow up, I run up on you niggas. I'm on the edge, I'm just waiting on a nigga to push me. Put my hand on my strap, what you looking at, pussy? We ain't buddies, we ain't partners, and we dance, we ain't friends. Too much chrome on my beard, you see your face in my ribs. If your bitch wanna roll, I'ma let her get in. I don't play, but I'ma play it till the motherfucker end.
Have you ever loved someone so much you giving on for? Not the expression, no, literally giving on for. When they know they're your heart and you know you are their armor, and you will destroy anyone who would try to harm her. But what happens when karma turns right around to bite you, and everything you stand for turns on you to spite you? What happens when you become the main source of a pain? Daddy, look what I made. Dad's gotta go catch a plane. Daddy, where's mommy? I can't find mommy. Where is she? I don't know. Go play, Haley, baby. Your daddy's busy. Daddy's writing the song ain't gonna write itself. I'll give you one underdog and you gotta swing by yourself. Then turn right around in that song and tell her you love her, and put hands on her mother who's a spitting image of her. That's Slim Shady. Yeah, baby, Slim Shady's crazy. Shady made me, but tonight Shady's rocking my baby.
Don't tell me you don't know that. I'm the shit, man. You better watch your girl, man. I leave with your bitch. I ain't still these hoes. Man, I'm about my paper. If your bitch really about it, nigga, I'm gon' take her. Backseat on my Jeep. Fuck till I fuck up her makeup. Take her to the Diamond District. Introduce her to Jacob. Tell her if she like me, she should keep me icy. My game fuck with a bitch brain till she thinks she wifey. Spend her life savings in a day, cause she likes me. Commitment from me, nah, not likely. When I was Vivica, I thought I was on to something. Then the next week, nah, man, it was nothing.
Keep having this dream, I'm pushing Haley on the swing. She keeps screaming, she don't want me to sing. You're making mommy cry, why is mommy crying? Baby daddy ain't leaving no more, daddy you're lying. You always say that, you always say this is the last time, but you ain't leaving no more, daddy you're mine. She's piling boxes in front of the door trying to block it. Daddy please, daddy don't leave, daddy no stop it. Goes in the pocket, pulls out a tiny necklace locket. It's got a picture, this'll keep you safe, daddy, take it with you. I look up, it's just me standing in the mirror. These fucking walls must be talking, cause man I can hear them. They're saying you got one more chance to do right, and it's tonight. Now go out there and show them that you love them for it's too late. And just as I go to walk out of my bedroom door, it turns to a stage, they're gone, and the spotlight is on, and I'm singing.
The only way to change me is meant to run my brains out. Stuck in the middle of the game to get the pain out. Pray to my God every day, but he don't listen. The poverty bothers me. My mama's working wonders in the kitchen. Listen, locking they were crying in the bedroom. Praying for money, whatever get will she be dead soon. Am I wrong for wishing I was somewhere else at 13? Can't feed myself. Can I blame daddy cause he left me? Wish he would've hugged me too much like him. So my mama don't love me on my own at an early age. Getting paid and I'm strapped so I never be afraid. Where did I go astray? I'm hanging in the back streets, running with G's and dope fiends where they jack me. Can't turn back, my eyes on the prize, I got nothing to lose. Everybody gotta die, say goodbye to the bad guy that want you fuck when you pass by. Block, block on the block, let the glass fly. Do or die, walk a mile in my shoes and you be crazy too. With nothing to lose, I got nothing to lose. 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 Nothing to lose. I thank the Lord for my many blessings. Don't stress and keep a vest for protection from the barrel of a Smith & Wesson. And all my niggas in the pen, here we go again. Ain't nothing separating us from a Mac 10. Born in the ghetto as a hustler. Hold up, straight soldier, bucking at the busters. No matter how you try, niggas never die. We just retaliate with hate, then we multiply. See me striking down the block, getting congas. Mobbing like a motherfucker, living like I wanna. Ain't no stopping at the red lights. I'm sideways, thug life, motherfucker, calm, baby. Let the cops put their lights on. Chase me, nigga, zigzagging through the freeway. Race me, nigga, in a high-speed chase with the law. The realest motherfucker that you ever saw. I'm living raw till they bury me. Don't worry me, I'm high, living like I ain't afraid to die. my shoes and you be crazy too. With nothing to lose, got nothing to lose. I got nothing to lose. Got nothing to lose. Got nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. Nothing to lose. Ain't no escape from a deadly fate. And every day there's a million black bodies put away. I'm starting to lose hope. It seems everybody's on dope. Mama told me to leave cause she was broke. Sometimes I choke on the endo, creeping out the window. Alone on my own, I'm a criminal. Got no love from the household. I'm out cold on the street screaming motherfuck peace. I got nothing to lose, but something to prove. What do I do? Live thug life, niggas stay true. I wonder when they kill me, is there heaven for a real G? Lord forgive me if you feel me, cause all my life I was dirt broke, with no hope, little skinny motherfucker wanting dope. I hated cutting suckers with my razor blade, but every day is a struggle to get major paid. Anyway, it's so hard on a nigga in the shit, no pity, and ain't no love for the scrubs that be buying drugs. If you can walk a mile in my shoes, you be crazy too, with nothing to lose. Black cotton, steady stresses, Smith and Wessons, got my blessings, lessons and sessions. The worst question is the first question. Why do we work like slaves, sweating blades to an early grave? Never got paid, but still we slaves as an entree. Answer that, then answer this too. That's gonna get you know it's true. Life's a big shoe. You better backtrack and try to act black and live. Not to be phony and positive, but worry negative. What's the matter, G? Black cat got your tongue fat, trap got your sprung, now you're home. Do you feel me? Dumb, dumb, diddy, it's a me. Attempt to reach each and every brother on the streets. If not peace, then at least let's get a piece. I'm tired of seeing bodies on the streets, deceased. Looking through my high school yearbook, reminiscing of the tears as the years took. One homie, two homie, three homies. Poof, we used to have juice, but now there's no more use to shoot. God come save the misbegotten, lost ghetto souls of black cotton.
My hands should throw stones if you live in a glass house. And if you got a glass jaw, you should watch your mouth, cause I'll break your face. Have your ass running, mumbling to the J. You're going against me, dawg, you're making a mistake. I split your lead, you're looking like the Michael Jackson jackets with all them zippers. I'm the boss on this boat, you can call me skipper. The way I turn the money over, you should call me flipper. Yo bitch, a regular bitch, you calling a wifey. I fucked and feed a fast food, you keeping her icy. I'm down to sell records, but not my soul. Snoop said this in 94. We don't love them hoes, I got pennies for my thoughts, now I'm rich. See the 20 spinning, looking mean on the 6. Niggas wearing flags, cause the colors match their clothes. They get caught in the wrong hood and feel it with hoes.
They think they crazy, but they ain't crazy, let's face it. Shit, basically they just playing shit, they ain't saying shit, spraying 50s. A to the K, get in the way, I bring Dre and them with me and turn this day into fucking mayhem. You staying with me? Don't let me lose you, I'm not trying to confuse you. When I let loose with this Uzi and just shoot through your Isuzu. You get the message, am I getting through to you? You know what's coming, you motherfuckers don't even know, do you? Take some big and some pop, can you mix them up in a pot? Sprinkle a little big L on top, what the fuck do you got? You got the realest and illest killers tied up in a knot. The juggernaut to this rap shit, like it or not. It's like a fight to the top just to see who died for the spot. You put your life in this, nothing like surviving a shot. Y'all know what time it is, soon as 50 signs on this dot. Shit, what you know about death threats, cause I get a lot. Shady Records was 80 seconds away from the towers. Some cowards fuck with the wrong building, they meant to hit ours. Better evacuate all children, nuclear showers, there's nothing spookier. You're now about to witness the power.
Shorty, she in the club, she dancing for dollars. She got a thing for that Gucci, that Fendi, that Prada, that BCBG, Burberry, Dolce & Gabbana. She fit the fools' fantasies, they pay her cause they want her. I spit a little G, man, and my gang got her. An hour later, had her ass up in the Ramada. The trick niggas in the ear saying they think about it. I got the bitch by the bar trying to get a drink about it. She like my style, she like my style, she like the way I talk. She from the country, think she like me cause I'm from New York. I ain't that nigga trying to holler cause I want some head. I'm that nigga trying to holler cause I want some bread. I could care less how she perform when she in the bed. Bitch at that track, catch a date and come and pay the kid. Look, baby, this is simple, you can't see. You fucking with me, you fucking with a P.I.M.P.
A millionaire, I'm a young money millionaire, tougher than Nigerian hair. My criteria compared to your career just isn't fair. I'm a venereal disease, like a menstrual bleed through the pencil and leak on the sheet of the tablet in my mind. Cause I don't write shit, cause I ain't got time. Cause my seconds, minutes, hours go to the almighty dollar in the almighty power of that chopper. Sister, brother, son, daughter, father, motherfucker, copper. Got the Maserati dancing on the bridge. Pussy poppin', tell the coppers, ha ha ha. You can't catch them, you can't stop them. I go by them goon rules. If you can't beat them, then you drop them. You can't man them, then you mop them. You can't stand them, then you drop them. You pop them, cause we pop them like over and whop them. Motherfucker, I'm ill. Yeah.
Here we go, turn it up, let it start. From block to block, we snatching hearts and jacking marks. And the punk police can't fade me a minute. We can have peace someday, G. But right now I got my mind set up. Looking down the barrel of my gun, get up. Cause it's time to make the payback facts. And my brothers on the block better stay strapped. Black, and accept no substitutes. I bring truth to the youth, tell the roof of the whole school. Oh no, I won't turn the other cheek. Case you can't see this one, we burn the other week. Now we got them in the smash, blast. How long will it last? Till the flow getting more cash. Until then raise up, till my young black man blaze up.
I never would've dreamed in a million years I'd see so many motherfucking people who feel like me, who share the same views and the same exact beliefs. It's like a fucking army marching back to me. So many lives I touched, so much anger aimed in no particular direction. Just sprays and sprays, straight through the radio waves. It plays and plays, till it stays stuck in your head for days and days. Who would've thought standing in this mirror, bleaching my hair with some peroxide, reaching for a t-shirt to wear, that I would catapult to the forefront of rap like this? How could I predict my words and having it back like this? I must have struck a chord with somebody up in the office, cause Congress keep telling me I ain't causing nothing but problems. And now they're saying I'm in trouble with the government. I'm loving it, I shovel shit on my life, and now I'm dumping it on.
I told you this before, I stick with the tools. I keep a pen, some rims, and some jewels. I holla at a hoe till I got a bitch confused. She got on Payless, me I got on gator shoes. I'm shopping for the chillers, and the summer they cheaper. Man, it's so you can have her. When I'm done, I ain't gon' keep her. Man, bitches come and go. Hey, nigga, pimpin' no. This ain't no secret, you ain't gotta keep it on the low. Bitch, choose on me, I had you stripping in the street. Put my other hoes down, you get your ass beat. Now, nick my bottom bitch, she always come up with my bread. The last nigga, she was whipping stitches in her head. Get your hoe out of pocket. I put a charge on the bitch. Cause I need 4 TVs and AMGs for the 6. I'll make a pit rich. I ain't paying, bitch. Catch a date, suck a dick, shit. Trick. Yeah. In Hollywood they say there's no business like show business. In the hood they say there's no business like hope business. You know? They say I talk a little fast, but if you listen a little fast, I ain't got to slow down for you to catch up, bitch. High speed Ferrari movement. Third lane, switching lanes, what up? Brooklyn, what up? Far Rock, what up? Jay and Beyonce was kissing. I was cooking 1,000 grams in my kitchen. My nose was telling Khalees I love you, boo. I was shining my 9, you know how I do. I got a fully loaded clip, I be on that shit. I got a fully loaded clip, I got a fully loaded clip. I be on that shit. Yeah. I got a fully loaded clip. No problem with me, no problem, it's all good. I ain't fresh out the hood, I'm still in the hood. Black rims, black Hemi, niggas see me when you see me. I appear to disappear with the heater like a genie. That party and bullshit to get your ass popped. Don't believe me, act fab, they got his ass shot. I'm in the cut like germs, I do dirt like worms. Smoke a weed, not sherm. Nigga, it's my turn, I fire on your ass. Them hollow tips burn, baby, burn. I'm screaming, fuck the cops. Ride around with my Glock. That's my pistol on my bitch, nigga, fuck that box. That's how Pete got knocked. That's a jewel I drop. But you ain't beat that nigga, go ahead, repeat that nigga. You might learn a little something if you learn to stop frontin'. I make it look easy on 3-piece BBs. Rollin' low, getting up early with the dope, man. My daddy and Jermaine was kissing. I was bagging 1,000 grams in my kitchen. My puppy was telling Kim, I love you, boo. I was shining my 9, you know how I do. Got a fully loaded clip, I be on that shit. I got a fully loaded clip, I got a fully loaded clip, I be on that shit. I got a fully loaded clip. Today I'm saying? 10 grand, I'm born better, nigga, I ain't playing. I'm tryna get it, holla at me if you with it. And lace up the truck, cause we can rob these motherfuckers. My stomach is growling, the shit that I'm wailing. I'm doing my numbers, so I'm getting violent. They hear me rapping, they thinking I'm playing. They see the barrel and they see the flame. I need full cooperation, man, give us the chain. The watch, the ring, and the grill, we playing. I fire that thing, they say I'm insane. Holla, I got that nose candy, man. When Jeezy and Keisha was moon kissing, I was begging 1,000 grams in my kitchen. When Trina was telling Wayne, I love you, boo. She was just running games, she told Buck that too. Got a fully loaded clip, I be on that shit. I got a fully loaded clip, I got a fully loaded clip, I be on that shit. I got a fully loaded clip. Let me show you how I do this right here. Now the rule goes 16. I got a fully loaded clip. I put 16 in the clip, I put it in, I got that. One in the head, I take the clip out. I put another one in the clip, I put it back. I got a fully loaded clip.
Where's my snare? I have no snare in my headphones. Yeah, there you go. Yo.
The only way to change me is let me run my brains out. Stuck in the middle of the game to get the pain out. Pray to my God every day, but he don't listen. The poverty bothers me. My mama's working wonders in the kitchen. Listen, I can hear her crying in the bedroom. Praying for money, will never get what she be dead soon. Am I wrong for wishing I was somewhere else? At 13, can't feed myself. Can I blame daddy cause he left me? Wish he would've hugged me too much like him. So my mama don't love me on my own at an early age. Getting paid in the straps so I never be afraid.
I'm a straight gorilla with it, cold-hearted killer with it. Any nigga getting out of line can get it. I make it hot, motherfuckers freeze up when I come through. Mac 10, 32 shot, clipping my smoke. I might smile and say what's up, but I don't fuck with you niggas. My rap money slow up, I run up on you niggas. I'm on the edge, I'm just waiting on a nigga to push me. Put my hand on my strap, what you looking at, pussy? We ain't buddies, we ain't partners, and we damn sure ain't friends. So much chrome on my bench, you see your face in my rims. If your bitch wanna roll, I'ma let her get in. I don't play, but I'ma play her till the motherfucking end. We ain't buddies, we ain't partners, and we damn sure ain't friends. So much chrome on my bench, you see your face in my rims. If your bitch wanna roll, I'ma let her get in. I don't play, but I'ma play her till the motherfucking end.
Have you ever been hated or discriminated against? I have. I've been protested and demonstrated against. Picket signs for my wicked rhymes. Look at the time, sick is the mind of the motherfucking kid that's behind. All this commotion, emotions run deep as oceans exploding. Zippers flaring from Paris, just blow them off and keep going. Not taking nothing from no one, give them hell long as I'm breathing. Keep kicking ass in the morning and taking names in the evening. Leaving with the taste of sour, with vinegar in their mouth. See, they can trigger me, but they'll never figure me out. Look at me now, I bet you're probably sick of me now. Ain't you, mama? I will make you look so ridiculous now.
Yeah, ma, your dude is back. The Maybach roof is back. Tell the whole world the truth is back. You ain't gotta argue about who can rap, cause the proof is back. Just go through my raps. New York, New York. Yeah, where my troopers at? Where my hustlers? Where my boosters at? I don't care what you do for stacks. I know the world glued you back to the wall. You gotta brawl through that. I've been through that. Been shot at, shoot back. Gotta keep a peace like a Buddhist. I ain't a new jack, nobody gon' Wesley snipe me. It's less than likely.
To the windows of my soul, the eyes never lie, they bloodshot red. It's ganja in my system, I'm high. First there's pain when you lust for my love, then it's smooth and calm. Feel the rush like the needles in your arm. It's a cold world, baby girl. Loving me is not enough. Find out when you fucking broke, love won't get you on the bus. Man, you should see the pretty bitches that be sexing me. They suck cock to make them hot, I just let them stand next to me.
Throw your guns up.
Are you afraid to die? Or do you want to live forever?
Svet Fit Music.
Yeah, nigga! Hey, yeah. Thug life is sick, sicker than most of these tricks. I got my mind on making money, but you stuck on these fake bitches. I stay blunted and never fronted, and I doubt if I do. Cause if I did, then I get beat up by my fucking crew. A real nigga said you figure that you ready to box. You're catching knots from my nigga Freddie Fox. And you really don't want none for pockets. I'm strapped with a clock and throw things like I'm born to box. I hit this motherfucking gin and I'll be all in. Hell yeah, young nigga straight ballin'. And everybody wants to see it from a G, weighing 165. And I'm high till I fucking die. Thug life in this motherfucker catching wreck. Big stretch, hit me off when I hit the set. But now cool cause I'm tipsy and I feel a nigga tryna see if I'm a killer. Come on. I'm gonna be a piece of man, but still when niggas come for me, all I can see is get them killed. Putting 2 bullets to they dome, one to die in heaven. Falling legend, clutching chrome 357. Murder my foes, get disposed of. We all homies to the death, so my true niggas show me love. God forgive me for my lifestyle, a negative figure. Nigga tryna see if I'm a killer. Come on.
Pump the brakes, pump up the value. My rock all night cause I'm a motherfucking stallion. Walk up in the club with this big ass medallion. Throwing up the dog like niggas from Staten Island. Who that, they do that. Diamonds all blue black. The critics don't get it, they think I'm one of these new cats. I'm a dog, a Rottweiler, ass Rottweiler. When Game and Lloyd come through in that drop pilot, it's murder. Earth don't hurt him when he come through in the phantom, the same color as Serve. I'm a criminal individual, smooth as Beyonce's skin. I think I stand out like Frank Lucas Mink in the club cause I'm too iced out. You feeling me, I'm feeling you, let's get you wiped out. Throw on my Louis V belt, bring new nights out. It's Black Wall Street and Murphy.
I wanna be a piece of man, but still when niggas come for me, all I can see is get them killed. Putting 2 bullets to they dome, one to die in heaven. Falling legend, clutching chrome 357. Murder my foes, get disposed of. We all homies to the death, so my true niggas show me love. God forgive me for my lifestyle, a negative figure. Nigga tryna see if I'm a killer, come on.
Yeah. 50. I'm complex, difficult to understand. I don't know if it's me or just the makeup of a man. I want it in the morning, bright and early, I want it. I rise as the sunrise, baby, now get up on it. Give it to me good, shorty, work it like you should. You follow instructions, then I follow instructions. The ultimate seduction, more kissing and touching. Feel supernatural, first chance I'm at you.
The fuck with Ice Cube, you got the shit talk, big talk, crip walk, bang hard, run yards, flip cars. Cause you fucking with millionaires, big stars. Only cocking the grip or make our dicks hard. I come through when I handle my business like a goddamn menace. Niggas think I eat spinach cause you need a dentist. Whenever I finish, it's the Greenwich with a gang of lieutenants. West side.
I like it when you're freaky, I'm freaky. I'll explore your body completely till you feel like you need me chest to chest. I work you get the kiss in your neck. Come correct till more than sweat is making us sweat. Say my name, positions we change. I ain't joking, girl, I'm stroking, I ain't playing no games. Jackpot, back shots, don't run from me, take it. My pleasure's pleasing you, you should feel the same too.
Ever since a nigga was a seed, only thing promised to me was the penitentiary. Still ballin', riding on these niggas cause they lame. In the 6-1 Chevy, still heavy in this gang. Can you feel me? Blame it on my mama, I'm a thug nigga. Up before the sun rise, quicker than the drug dealers. Tell me if it's on. Nigga, that we first a bomb bust on these bitch made niggas. Sit 'em up, west side. Ain't nobody love me as a broke nigga. Finger on the trigger, Lord forgive me if I smoke niggas. I love my female strap. The fucking from the back, I get my currency in stacks. California's where I'm at, riding. Pass by while these niggas wonder why I got shot but didn't die. Let them see who's next to try. Did I cry? Hell nah, nigga, tears shed. For all my homies in the pen, many peers dead, niggas still ball.
Bite them all, yeah, I'm burning it up. DPGC, you should be turning it up. CBT, LBC, yeah, we hooking back up. And when they bang this in the club, baby, you got to get up. Cause homies, thug homies, yeah, they giving it up. Low life, yo life, boy, we living it up. Taking chances while we dancing in the party for show. Slip my girl a 44 when she crept in the back door. Chickens looking at me strange, but you know I don't care. Step up in this mother, just a swank in my hair. Trick, quit talking, crip walk if you down with the set. Take a bullet with some grip and take the smoke on this jet. Out of town, put it down for the father of rap. And if you happen to get cracked, trick, shut your track. Come back, get back, that's the part of success. If you believe in the S, you'll be relieving your stress. fucking with you?
Yeah.
Still waters run deep. Still Snoop Dogg and D.R.E.
Hey Dre.
9-9, nigga. Guess who's back?
Got me feeling real bulletproof up in this motherfucker.
Still.
Cause my motherfucking vest
Still
is
doing that shit,
bulletproof,
Andre?
nigga.
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
Check me out.
Toys so close, now follow instructions. Catch a nigga slipping, run up on him and buck him. I ain't got no conscience, no morals or nothing. They ain't with us, stay against us, we supposed to touch them. Here's what to do if you see him approach me. Pop that nigga, I don't care if you know me. Half the niggas hating on me used to be homies. I don't trust them when they smile or when they proud cause they phony. Every time I come around they call the police on me. That's why the D's in the precinct know me. They know about my rap shit, they know about how I clap beat. Run like I'm in a track meet, swift with the Mac beat. You can see the envy in their eyes for sure, man. Mad as a motherfucker that I'm holding. See me in the back of the Phantom rolling. Quick to make examples out of niggas for sure, man. Hold me down. I put that battery in his back. I'm the reason why he moves like that. That's my motherfucking toy soldier. I tell him pop that gat, he gon' pop that gat. You don't wanna play with my toy soldier. I say it's on and it's on until your life is over. Fucking with my toy soldier. If he's a casualty at war, trust me, I got more. You don't want it with my toy soldier.
Easily I approach the microphone with a pocket full of dough. The king of the coast, I'm rocking the boat, stroking your folks and loking with lokes. Baby boy got smoke. Nigga, what up? Nigga, what up? I need cheese, paper, bread and butter. Nut up and cut up the beef. I got a 44 piece that'll shut up the My niggas gon' floss to this. My cripped out homeboys gon' walk to this. Creep to the spizot and stash my nizzot. Then call the dizzot. You know we got it lizzot. Pop right back on your monkey ass. Then cock the Glock back on your funky ass. Been a long time, I shouldn't have left you. Let's get looped like Snoop nephew.
I put that battery in his back. I'm the reason why he moves like that. That's my motherfucking toy soldier. I tell him pop that gat, he gon' pop that gat. You don't wanna play with my toy soldier. I say it's on and it's on until your life is over. Fucking with my toy soldier. If he's a casualty at war, trust me, I got more. You don't want it with my toy soldiers. Yeah.
Turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, shorty, let's get into it. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, homie, let's get
Trust me, man, it's okay. Bounce with me in slow-mo. When they hear the kid in the house, they're like, oh no. 50 got them loking again, they open again. Got them sipping on that juice and gin. You can find me in the background burning that backwood, styling, stunting, doing my two-step fronting. Now I'ma tell you what them told me, homie. Just lose it, parental discretion's advised. This is grown folk music, now blend in with me as I proceed to break it down. It's always off the chain, man, when I'm around. I played the block pumping, it was all for the dough. I get the club jumping, cause I'm sick with the flow.
You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, shorty, let's get into it. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Quit playing, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, homie, let's get into it.
You wanna search me, then search me, but hurry up, cause I'm thirsty, I need that brown in my system, P on my side twisting, in club duvet with a chick that go both ways. Let me see that ID, this for grown folk, got a drink till the worm is gone. Hit the dance floor like a scene from soft porn. before it pop. Make him sign a disclaimer. Try to get me on some pop shit, these tricks are framing. But in any event, he fucking with 50, it makes sense. Sense into them dollars, the hoes wanna holler. But you looking at a nigga that done came from the squalor. Now my money's so long, I could pop your collar.
No, I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Play, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, shouting, let's get into it. You know I got what it takes to make the club go out of control. Play, turn the music up a little bit. Bounce with me now, homie, let's get into it.
Crack a bottle, let your body waddle. Don't act like a sloppy model, you just hit the lotto. Uh-oh, bitches hopping in my Tahoe. Got one riding shotgun and no, not one of them got clothes. Now where's the rubbers? Who got the rubbers? I noticed there's so many of them, and there's really not that many of us. And ladies love us, my posse's kicking up dust. It's on to the break of dawn and we're starting this party from dusk. Back when Andre the Giant, Mr. Elephant Tusk. Picture us, you'll be just another one with the dust. Just one of my mother's sons who got thrown under the bus. Kiss my butt, lick my under cheese from under my nuts. It disgusts me to see the game the way that it must. It's a must, I redeem my name and haters get mushed. Bitches lust, man they love me when I lay in the cut. Fisticuffs, the lady give a lady some paper cut. Now picture us, it's ridiculous, she curse at the thought. Cause when I spit the verse, the shit gets worse, the worse is your song. If I could fit the words, it's picture perfect words every time. Every verse, every line, the simplest nursery rhymes. It's elementary, the elephants have entered the room. I've been to the set with the center of attention, it's true. Not to mention back with the vengeance, so hence the signal of the bat symbol, the platinum trio's back on you hoes. So crack a bottle, let your body waddle. Don't act like a sloppy model, you just hit the lotto. Uh-oh, bitches hopping in my Tahoe. Got one riding shotgun and no, not one of them got clothes. Now where's the rubbers? Who got the rubbers? I noticed there's so many of them, and there's really not that many of us. And ladies love us, my posse's kicking up dust. It's on to the break of dawn and we're starting this party from the
See that low rider go by, they like, oh my. You ain't got to tell me why you're sick, cause I know why. I did through in that 6 tray, like sick and Dre. I'm an itch that they can't scratch, they sick of me. But hey, what else can I say? I love LA, cause over and above all, it's just another day. And this one begins where the last one ends. Pick up where we left off and get smashed again. I'll be damned, just fucked around and crashed my Benz. Driving around with a smash front end. Let's cash that one in. Grab another one from out the stable. The Monte Carlo, El Camino, or the Eldorado. The hell if I know. Viral leather seats of vinyl. Decisions. Garage looks like precision collision. Omega beats quake like Waco. Just keep the bass low. Speakers away from your face though.
So crack a bottle, let your body waddle. Don't act like a sloppy model, you just hit the lotto. Uh-oh, bitches hopping in my Tahoe. Got one riding shotgun and no, not one of them got clothes. Now where's the rubbers? Who got the rubbers? I noticed there's so many of them, and there's really not that many of us. And ladies love us, my posse's kicking up dust. It's on to the break of dawn and we're starting this party from dusk.
After bottle. Money ain't a thing when you party with me. It's what we into. It's simple. We ball out of control like you wouldn't believe. From the napalm, the bomb, the dawn. I'm King Kong, get rolled on. Wrapped up and rained on. I'm so calm through Vietnam. Bring the alarm. Bring Sean Dawn. From everyone, do what you want. Nigga own. To the brick of wood. Get the paper, man. I'm thinking, you know I don't give a fuck. I spin it like it don't mean nothing. Blow it like it's supposed to be gone. Motherfucker, I'm grown. I stunt, I style, I flash the shit. I just what the fuck I want, so what I trick. Yeah. Badass birthday bags, classy shit. Jimmy Choo shoes, I say move, a bitch move.
So crack a bottle, let your body waddle. Don't act like a sloppy model, you just hit the lotto. Uh-oh, bitches hopping in my Tahoe. Got one riding shotgun and no, not one of them got clothes. Now where's the rubbers? Who got the rubbers? I noticed there's so many of them, and there's really not that many of us. And ladies love us, my posse's kicking up dust. It's on to the break of dawn and we're starting this party from dusk. It's like a throne that he don't even own. He won't sit down, give him a crown, he just throws it around. It's like a joke, he's like a king, but he don't rule a thing. You don't want the diamonds, want the gold, don't want the jewelry. You don't want the rain, don't want the loot, he's in it for the sport. Running circles round his competition on the court. He appreciates your support, but he ain't begging for it. And you can love it, you can hate it, but you can't ignore it. You can't be that ignorant, so you can try to sell him short, but you can't fuck with his last joint or the one before it. And he was born to raise hell like them country boys. And if I'm frontin', then you better come confront me for it.
This is the story of a warrior, I know you know it. True warriors, go ahead and make some noise. It ain't healthy to be making niggas paranoid. Hit your corner with my weapon, I don't need my boys. I'm doing 120 in the fast lane. Kick back, just relax, let me do my thing. Don't give a fuck about you suckers, gotta maintain money, power, and respect in this rap game.
He's no magician, man, the kid made something out of nothing. So now niggas from his hood act like he owe him something. They talk crazy till he send niggas through there to buck him. Ask him if it's a problem and he'll say nah, it's nothing. He was gonna help him out, but since they fronted, fuck him. He don't care how they feel, they can hate him or love him. He hold his own on his own, the kid is really thuggin'. He's rich now, he ain't changed, so niggas think he buggin'. He bulletproof everything, in case niggas try and buck him. Keep 2 pistols on his hip, I show you where he tuck him. Niggas say they gon' get at him, but they can't touch him. Try to catch you slipping, they creeping, he start busting.
This is the story of a warrior, I know you know it. True warriors, go ahead and make some noise. It ain't healthy to be making niggas paranoid. Hit your corner with my weapon, I don't need my boys. I'm doing 120 in the fast lane. Kick back, just relax, let me do my thing. Don't give a fuck about you suckers, gotta maintain money, power, and respect in this rap game. I can give you niggas something you can talk about. I can turn your smile upside down. You ain't no G, you a fucking clown. I can take your girl into a turnaround. Don't hold it in, let it all out. I can give you fuckers something to be mad about. Invite her in, send her back out. With my DNA all in her mouth.
Generic drops for days, still the people rage. Am I not insane? Can you stop and explain why these drops are so lame? Is money buying you fame? I'm fucking on, I'm killing it with this song. You haters can sing along or go back where you belong. Yeah, there's nothing wrong with giving up, moving on. Cause I took your girl to prom, she can't help but sing this song.
Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high harass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out, can't shut my mouth, till the smoke clears out, and my high harass. I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.
She's so on like a light switch, flirting back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby, bring it back. I'm so gone, faded off a 30 rack. She's so on like a light switch, flirting back. There's nothing wrong with the way that she's working that. I just want that body bad, come on baby, bring it back. I rap with a passion, yeah, I got it in me. I've been waiting quite a long time for y'all to hear me. It's about damn time you put some stock into me. You're either sponsoring me or fucking bothering me. And the fact is, we just practice on this madness. That is why our status is like a canvas. Chances our advancement is enhancing, and this new expansion's like a mansion.
Comes off till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my hyper raps, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse. Till the roof comes off, till the lights go out, till my legs give out. Can't shut my mouth till the smoke clears out. And my hyper raps, I'ma rip this shit till my bones collapse.